भिडियो वाले आउँछ
यस दीदी झरना hey do you see the mountain up there my plan is to visit that mountain today I'll be hiking towards that mountain I have got only $100 100 Nepali rupees to spend this is the town but turns out that there's also a waterfall called the Jhor waterfall nearby I'll be walking down the waterfall I'm very close to the mountain now I just took like 30 minutes of walk भैया झरना झरना झोरा झरना सीधा हाँ so right now I am like 45 minutes far from Kathmandu this is Phutung village you can see the entire town from this road hey whoa I see some children passing by they are flying kites some abandoned huts this place is heaven I hope I could stay here for long this is a good time look at this small hut wow everyone looks happy here I never saw a sad face ever since I came to Nepal no sad faces even the poorest guy looks very stoic and happy here oh I guess this is a place to have some cup of coffee or snacks oh I can get some beer hi ये खुला है क्या खुला है I'm gonna have some beer and then I'll walk look at the beauty of this place the seats is also made by bamboos here okay then I'm gonna have some beer here see you guys around झारो वाटरफॉल कितना दूर है वाटरफॉल नहीं झरना हाँ हाँ दूर है thank you so people understand Jharna oh look at this guy oh he's so self-involved in his work hi namaskar I'm from India yeah आपका नाम क्या है हाँ साले भाई आपका क्या एज है उम्र 80 साल क्या करते हो आप क्या कर रहे हो काम तो करना पड़ेगा हाँ ठीक है काम तो सबको करना पड़ेगा my budget was to use only $100 but I spent $300 on a can of beer I guess it's okay I'm on vacation दीदी झरना इधर है क्या I walked for like 70-60 minutes straight but I'm not that tired I'm not that sweaty because the winds are very cold and breezy तुम्हारा नाम क्या है Shabby hello yeah I'm from India आप लोग कहाँ से हो नेपाल में कहाँ से यहीं से मतलब कौन सी जगह है ये झोर है और झरना कहाँ पे है ऊपर कितना ऊपर भाई 250 किलोमीटर ऊपर है अरे बाप रे 250 किलोमीटर जाना पड़ेगा आप लोग कौन से क्लास में हो हेलो, अपना नाम तो बताओ।
My name is Akshay Sharma ji.
And you're from?
I am from Saurabh Adhikari. I am from Adhikari. I am junior. Adhikari. I am Muslim Adhikari. I am Nepal. Yo.
Oh, bhai, this was insane. Yes. एक महीने के बाद नवंबर दीदी झरना हाय हेलो करो हेलो यहाँ पर झरना और ऊपर है बहुत ऊपर है क्या यहाँ से ऊपर if I'm left alive then surely यहाँ से ऊपर otherwise यहाँ से सीधे ऊपर कितना ऊपर है यहाँ से भैया वाटरफॉल कितना ऊपर है 5 minutes so I guess this is the mysterious place finally okay so that's the waterfall that's the damn waterfall let me get close I hope you guys enjoyed this little cheap thrill. Catch you guys on my next journey.